just added, you can now upload and share videos automatically resized for all the social networks right from RiteForge or the RiteKit package. It's this easy. So I just saved that video I recorded, the first part, and I've attached it here. I'm going to add first comment for Instagram and use my right tag hashtag sets. Add RiteKit, and then I will send now. And here I see it published to the correct Facebook page, and then LinkedIn, where the video auto plays, Twitter, here you see it auto playing, and then in Instagram, here's the post with the first comment with all those hashtags that I added directly from RiteForge.